per hour allows her to close in.
Oakley got her hair cut today. Couldn't wait to get back home to watch Nature Channel.
But before the females get a morsel of meat, the cub's father Atlas comes bounding in. The lionesses give way. This is the price they pay for child protection. Atlas puts on a forceful display of dominance. But despite his snarls, he is allowing his cubs to eat.
It's go time.
Commercial girl. It'll come back on.
Let's do nothing beats playing with friends, except bankrupting friends.
Download Monopoly Go and play the new Star Wars event today.
What does happiness mean to you?
Being in the ocean with you, watching you catch super fun waves.
In Virginia Beach, happiness is breaking barriers and savoring the sunshine.
I couldn't pick a better place or a better person to be with. This is what makes me happy.
Happiness is going all out.
And taking it all in.
Here, happiness is whatever you make it. Find yours in Virginia Beach.
Django hasn't moved a
It's
muscle.
back.
He's still full from his
Back
last
on,
meal.
girl.
The females won't eat until Atlas is finished.